It's been an extremely busy year for Tesla with the release of the brand new Highland Model 3 refresh, along with all the price changes, and of course, the biggest of all, the upcoming official first deliveries of the Cybertruck, which I did spend 30,000 of my Tesla credits to attend, so be sure to subscribe to see my recap video of that event. I still have my Cybertruck reservation from back when I reserved it right after it was first announced 4 years ago. And I haven't decided if I'm actually going to get it yet though, because first of all, my wife hates the look of it, but also because I don't really need it or really have the room for it since I only have a 2-car garage. I'd have to kick my poor Model 3 out on the street, literally. But my garage is actually why I'm making today's video. A couple months ago, I did a video about the MyQ connected garage for Tesla and why it's the best smart garage opener for Tesla owners. And I got a lot of good feedback from you, so I decided to partner with MyQ again to sponsor this video for an even better discount just in time for the holidays. And you'll even have a chance to win a free smart garage door opener from Chamberlain that's compatible with Tesla's MyQ connected garage service. So check the pinned comment below to find out how to get a discount and a free garage door opener. First, let's go over the basics of what MyQ is and how it works. The purpose of MyQ is to turn your garage into a smart garage where you can have seamless control of your garage door from anywhere, and there are 2 ways to do this with MyQ. The first method is to use a newer garage door opener that has all MyQ smart features already built into it. But if you don't have a smart garage door opener, the other method is if you're like me and already have a working garage opener, then all you need to do is add a MyQ smart garage control hub and sensor alongside your existing garage door opener. Now, I purchased mine in May after doing some research and discovering that this was the best option with really good reviews at an affordable price without the need for any paid subscription. The MyQ Smart Garage Control works with most garage door openers manufactured after 1993, and the setup was very easy for me to do and only took about 20 minutes to install it and get it connected to my smartphone, which allows me to open and close my garage door anywhere using the MyQ app. But for Tesla owners, it gets even better than that. With MyQ Connected Garage for Tesla, my garage door opener seamlessly integrates with my Tesla through Tesla's MyQ Connected Garage service, which allows me to open and close my garage door directly from my Tesla touchscreen, or even automatically when I leave and arrive for a smarter hands-free experience. Now, this was made possible with a software update from Tesla in late 2022 that added MyQ integration to all Model 3 and Model Y vehicles, along with newer Model S and Model X vehicles that were built in 2021 or later. So if your Tesla vehicle is compatible and has the latest software installed, then it should be ready to set up your MyQ integration without any need for additional hardware to be installed in your vehicle. First, make sure you have either a newer garage door opener with MyQ built in, or you have a MyQ Smart Garage Control Hub connected to your existing garage door opener. But wait, don't go out and buy the MyQ Smart Garage Control Hub if that's what you need, because here's how you can get it for basically free, which is something I did not know about when I got mine. Go to myq.com/Tesla-widget and sign up for a MyQ Connected Garage free 30-day trial to get a Smart Garage Control Hub shipped to you for free. You just have to pay 99 cents for the handling, and you get to keep the hub even if you cancel after the free trial ends. And once you have MyQ set up in your garage, then go on your Tesla touchscreen and tap the car icon to bring up the vehicle controls, then choose the garage icon at the top right and select Link MyQ Account, then tap Sign In under the Already MyQ Connected section and log in using your MyQ account credentials. If you already had MyQ in your garage, then from here you can just start the free trial. So as you can see, it's very quick and easy to set up the MyQ connection on the Tesla touchscreen. Now here's where you may be asking yourself, well, what are the main benefits of having the MyQ connected garage feature in the car itself rather than just using the mobile app? And I thought that exact same thing when I first got the MyQ Smart Garage Control Hub, because I had never experienced the convenience of having the even smarter functionality integrated directly in my vehicles. Now don't get me wrong, going from an old school clunky garage door clicker that only works in close proximity and has to be clipped on the visor at all times to something like the MyQ app where I can open and close the door from anywhere using my phone and being able to see when the door was open and by whom, yes, that is a really nice upgrade. But after a few weeks, I found myself getting tired of having to constantly pull out my phone and fumble to open the app just to open or close the garage door as I was leaving or arriving. And sometimes I would even forget to close the garage door, which is not good from a security perspective. But with the Tesla MyQ integration in the car itself, it makes it so much more convenient because it automates all of that for me, so I don't even have to touch my phone or remember to open or close the garage. Now, in the MyQ settings, you can toggle the options of having the car automatically open and close based on your garage location and your preferred geofence distance. Now, this is a huge benefit because it's completely hands-free and kind of mind-free as well. You never really have to remember to manually open or close the door. It's similar to my feelings toward Tesla Autopilot and how it helps minimize the mental strain when driving long distances. Now, since my wife and I each have our own Tesla and they stay in our garage side by side, a lot of the time I have to make sure my side view mirrors don't hit anything when backing into my garage. But with the MyQ Connected Garage, it has an option to auto fold mirrors, which is really nice if your garage is a tight fit. But it's not just about the hands-free benefits, you also get the same control of your garage that the MyQ mobile app provides, but from a more easily accessible location of the Tesla touchscreen, so you can open and close the garage door no matter where you are, as long as the vehicle has an internet connection. Now, having a Tesla MyQ Connected Garage also comes with the benefit of being able to immediately close the garage door without that 8-second beeping and flashing that is required when closing via the app. Now, this is because the Tesla knows its location is near the garage door. But one of the best benefits for me is that a single MyQ subscription works with multiple Tesla vehicles and even with multiple garages. So in my case, with my wife's Model Y and my Model 3, it's almost like getting 2 for 1. And if we get a Cybertruck, it will be like 3 for 1. And the subscription stays with you, the owner, even if you move to a new home or replace your existing Tesla with another one. Now, the subscriptions currently come in 3 different plans: 1 year for $45, 5 years for $179, or 10 years for $299. But MyQ is running a special holiday promo through the end of the year, so if you visit myq.com/Andy and use the coupon code 15OFF, you can receive 15% off any of those plans. So technically, a 10-year subscription would only cost about $25 per year after the discount, or to put it simply, about $2 per month. After considering all the features and benefits it has and seeing how many times I actually open and close my garage door, for me, I think it's absolutely worth that cost for a 10-year plan to add that level of functionality and convenience, especially knowing that we will be Tesla owners for life no matter where we live. I love having the MyQ Smart Garage integration in both my Teslas, and it makes an already enjoyable Tesla experience even better. The link to MyQ Connected Garage for Tesla is in the description below, so check it out for yourself. Let me know if you have any questions and subscribe for more Tesla and tech videos in the future. Thank you for watching. Thanks to MyQ for sponsoring today's video. I'll talk to you in the next one.